In this video, we are going to discuss about transitive closure of a relation. Let we have a relation called R. Then the transitive closure of R is denoted by R power plus. The formula for R power plus is R union, R power 2 union, R power 3 union, so on. Likewise, we can calculate. Here we have two examples are there. We need to calculate transitive closure for these two examples. Okay, let us solve the first example. R power plus is equal to R union, R power 2 union, R power 3 union, so on union R power n. So this is the relation. R is equal to 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4. So here finding the transitive closure is nothing but finding transitive only. We know about transitive relation. So what is transitive relation? If A comma B and B comma C belongs to R, if A comma B, B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C should also belongs to R. Okay. If A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C should also belongs to R. Already R is given. Likewise, we need to calculate R power 2, R power 3, R power 4 till we get pi. Okay. So if any pair, if any relation result is pi, then we can stop the process and we need to compute union of all those things. Okay. Here already we have R. Let us calculate R square. So what is R square? R into R. So we need to calculate R square now. Okay. So what is R? 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4. So here first let us consider this pair 1 comma 2. So we have to search for the pair which starts with 2. Why? Because how to calculate transitive? If A comma B, B comma C belongs to R, then we can say that A comma C is also belongs to R. So this is nothing but R only. So 1 comma 2 means we have to search for the pair which starts with 2. So here this is the pair which starts with 2. So what is the new pair? A comma C. So 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3 means we will get a pair called 1 comma 3. Okay. Next let us consider the second pair 2 comma 3. So we have to search for the pair which starts with 3. Why? Because this pair is ending with 3. So if you observe here this pair is ending with 3, this pair is starting with 3. So the new pair is 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4. Next we have 3 comma 4. We have to search for the pair which starts with 4. But we don't have such pairs. So let us stop the process now. Okay. Now let us now what is R square? R square contains some pairs. Here likewise we have to repeat the process till we get pi. Now let us compute R cube. So what is the result of R cube? R square into R. R square into R. So we need to perform operation on these two pairs. So this is nothing but R square. This is nothing but R. So here what is the first pair? 1 comma 3. So we have to search for the pair which starts with 3 in R. So here we have 3. So 1 comma 3, 3 comma 4 means the new pair is 1 comma 4. Next we have 2 comma 4. So 2 comma 4 means we have to search for the pair which starts with 4. But we don't have such pair here. So 1 comma 4. Now let us compute R power 4. So what is R power 4? R power 4 is nothing but we can calculate as R cube into R or R square into R. In either of the ways, the final solution will be the same. So this is nothing but R cube. This result is nothing but R cube, whereas this is nothing but R. Here we have only one pair which starts with 4. So we have to search for the pair which starts with 4. But here we don't have such pairs. Okay. So simply this is nothing but pi, empty. Why? Because we don't have any such pairs. Okay. So now what is the formula for R? R power plus R union. What is R? What is R? 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 4 union. Next what is R square? What is R square? 1 comma 3 comma 2 comma 4 union. What is R square is over. Next R cube. What is R cube? 1 comma 4 union pi. Next we need to combine all these pairs. So R power plus is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 4 comma 1 comma 3 comma 1 comma 3 comma 2 comma 4 comma 1 comma 4. So this is the result. This is the transitive closure of first example. Likewise, you can calculate transitive closure of the second example. So this is about transitive closure of a relation.